Hi, do you know that you can create any other variable in HyperView like factor of safety plot or any other plot? I'll show you how to do that. Firstly, load up your Abacus ODB or ANSYS results or Nastran or OptiStruct or any other results which you got it from the analysis. Then you need to plot the mysis stress or whatever principal stresses you want, or maybe any other stress. And then you need to just plot this one, and then you can see that if my design stress is 240, suppose you can see like it is some stresses are going above 240 MPa, and it is this component is failing, and uh, I want to plot the FOS plot. So what is factor of safety? Factor of safety is nothing but it is a very important ratio of it is basically a ratio of your design stress to the maximum stress in your component. So if it is more than one, that means your stresses are below your design stresses, and if it is less than one, then that means stresses is above your design stress, and if it is less than one, that means your stresses is are above your design stresses and the component is not safe. So mostly we have a good, like we used to have more than one factor of safety as a safe design. So I will show you. Go to results and you can create any variable here. So go to derived results. So I will be using the hyper your simulation results uh, to basically one second. I will use the simulation results to basically evaluate the factor of safety. So I will go to here, global stress components, and I will choose as my sys one misses stresses, layer will be none, and I will use the insert. Now this is the stresses from the analysis, but I need the design stresses also. The factor of safety is nothing but design stress divided by your maximum stress. So design stress is 240, and I will go to apply and OK. Now I will search factor of safety in results type. So here is factor of safety line. Will press apply, and I need to change the contour also. So I'll go here, change to 1 numerical precision, and I will press apply. And as you can see that the factor of safety is like this. So I need to reverse this also. Sorry. Okay. So you can see that I will put it 2 for better visibility. Put 0 0.8 here, and sorry, one second. Let me again do this. Yeah. So you can see this one. So if suppose you want your model to have a factor of safety of more than one, then this is the area which is falling less than the factor of safety of 1.5. In the same way, if you want your model to have a factor of safety at least one, then these are the elements or nodes which are failing, which are having factor of safety less than one. So this is how you can evaluate factor of safety or any other variable which you want to create in HyperView. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye.